In this video, I show you how to fix cannot open PDF file in WhatsApp or PDF file not opening in WhatsApp. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for PDF Reader, install any PDF reader. Now open this PDF Reader app. Tap on cross, continue, allow, tap on cross. Now go to WhatsApp. Open your PDF file. Now I hope that this method fix PDF file not opening in WhatsApp problem.